So we're going to unbox this Keurig K Mini Plus. It's a single coffee maker. It fits anywhere. So it's got this description here. So let's go ahead and let me go get a scissor to cut this. So first off, it has the little note here. It says thank you for your choosing. We also have the user's guide here. So let's open this thing. It's really nice, fully secured with this egg crate or something. What do you call this? So let's take this thing off. And it is small, compact, I guess. So there it is. I think the front is right here. Let's take this tape off. And on the other side. So you open this. And this is how it would look without, I took this off, so it's kind of a cover. And it's got the turn on, power button on off switch. It has this strong button. I think this would be the start button. And this is where the K-cup is. And I guess this is the water reservoir, the tank. Let's take that off. So this is where you put the water. So you can actually take this off to clean. So this is very small. Just look at this. Only 12. Wow. So it is very small capacity. So I'm gonna give this a try. At the back is the power cord. So yeah, it's I guess you put more water here. So I'm gonna read the manual here and see what are the features. So let's see what it says here. So power button, plug and power, remove the packing tape, remove, pull plug and extend cord, press the power button, and then add 1 cup. It's only 8 ounces of water into a mug. Lift the water reservoir lid and pour the water into the reservoir. Do not fill past the max. So this is only like an 8 ounce capacity. And yeah, lift and lower, cleansing, fill and place mug. So yeah, it is straightforward. But what about this? What's the purpose, the whole purpose of this? Maybe when you're storing it, you just put this back, I guess. But yeah, tell me if you have any comment on what this thing's real purpose is. Let me know. Over here you can clean. You can clean it. But for this, I see no purpose. I see no purpose for this except to just secure it for traveling. Well, anyway, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.